Greetings of the day. In today's class, we will start with inequalities in a triangles. So, what is the meaning of inequalities? For example, in a scale and triangle, all the sides and all the angles are different. It means कि we can compare the sides and angles. ठीक है, we can say कि the angle A is greater than angle B, the side AB is greater than side BC. It means कि we are comparing. ठीक है, so we will use here the two sign less than and greater than. ठीक है, greater than and less than sign we will use here. ठीक है, it means it is called inequalities. Okay, so here we will discuss the three basic important theorems. ठीक है, first one is in a triangle angles opposite to the longer side is larger. Second one is in a triangle the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. And the third one is the sum of any two side of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, suppose a triangle is given. A triangle is given ABC in which AB is 7 centimeter. ठीक है, suppose this is 6 centimeter and suppose this is 5 centimeter. ठीक है, so here we can write कि the side AB is greater than BC and AB it is also greater than AC. ठीक है, और वी कैन से ऑल्सो कि बी सी इज ग्रेटर देन ए सी. ठीक है, कि बी सी इज ग्रेटर देन ए सी एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट कि बी सी इज ग्रेटर देन ए सी. ठीक है, सो हेयर वी हैव गोट a relation between the sides of the triangles. ठीक है, so here we can use the theorems. In a triangles, the angles opposite to the longer side is larger. ठीक है, suppose I am taking the first one. ठीक है, now AB is greater than BC. ठीक है, AB is greater than BC, so the angle opposite to the side AB it is angle C. Okay, and angle opposite to the side BC it is angle A. ठीक है, so we can say कि angle C is greater than angle A. ठीक है, so we can find the relation between angles. ठीक है, if we are having the relation between any two sides, so we can find the relation between two angles. ठीक है, like this. Similar we can find other one. Okay, this is first. ठीक है, suppose second part. Suppose in a triangle ABC angles are given. Suppose this is 50, this is 60 and this is 70. So here we can say कि angle C is greater than angle A, angle C is greater than angle B. Okay, and angle B is greater than angle A. ठीक है, it means कि we are having the relation between angles. ठीक है, suppose I am taking the first one, angle C is greater than angle A. ठीक है, so by using the theorem the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. ठीक है, so the side opposite to angle C it is AB, the side opposite to angle A it is BC, so we can say कि AB is greater than BC. ठीक है, similar we can find other one. Okay, now the third one is the sum of any two side of a triangle is greater than the third side. ठीक है, you can see in this triangle, suppose I am finding the sum of AB and AC. So 7 plus 5 12 12 is greater than 6, right? ठीक है. Suppose now I am finding the sum of 5 and 6 centimeter, so it is 11, so 11 is greater than 7 centimeter. ठीक है. Now suppose I am finding the sum of 7 and 6, so 7 and 6 13, so 13 is greater than 5 centimeter. It means कि we can say the sum of any two side of a triangle is greater than third side. Okay, so I think this is clear. Okay, now we will come on exercise 7.4, question number 1. Show that in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay, so in this question given is right angle triangle. Okay, suppose this is a right angle triangle. Right angle at the point B, angle B is 90 degree, and AC is the hypotenuse, the side opposite to the 90 degree angle, it is hypotenuse. ठीक है, so given is ABC is a right angle triangle, ठीक है, in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, we need to prove the hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay, it means AC is greater than AB. Okay, and AC is also greater than BC. Okay, AC is the hypotenuse. ठीक है, now proof. In triangle ABC, using angle sum property, ठीक है, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle B, it is given 90 degree, so put this value, so it will angle A plus 90 plus angle C is equal to 180. Okay, now transpose, so it will negative, so angle A plus C is equal to 180 minus 90. It means angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so here the value of angle B is 90 and the sum of angle A and angle C, it is 90. So we can say here angle B is greater than angle A and angle B is greater than angle C also. ठीक है, because angle B is 90 and the sum of angle A and angle C is 90 degree, so we can say here angle B is greater than angle A and the value of angle B is also greater than angle C. ठीक है, so by using here the theorem, the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. ठीक है, using the theorem, side opposite to the larger angle is longer, so the side opposite to angle B, it is AC, the side opposite to angle A, it is BC. ठीक है, and here the side opposite to angle B, it is AC, and the side opposite to angle C, it is AB. ठीक है, so AC is greater than BC and AC is greater than AB. ठीक है, and here we have used the theorem, side opposite to the larger angle is longer. Okay, hence proved. Okay, so I think this is clear to all of you. Okay, the next question, question number 2. In figure, sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are extended to point P and Q respectively. Also, angle PBC is less than angle QCB. Show that AC is greater than AB. Okay. So in this question, the given is angle PBC is less than angle QCB. Okay. We need to prove AC is greater than AB. Okay. Now proof. Okay. At the point B, using linear pair, at point B using linear pair, so angle B plus this angle PBC is equal to 180 degree. ठीक है, linear pair. ठीक है, so value of angle PBC, it will 180 minus angle B, and suppose this is equation number 1. ठीक है, now at point C, angle QCB plus angle C plus QCB is equal to 180 degree. ठीक है, it is linear pair. ठीक है, so here the value of angle QCB 180 minus angle C, and suppose this is equation number 2. Okay, now it is given angle PBC is less than angle QCB. ठीक है, so using equation first and equation 2, ठीक है, the value of angle PBC it is 180 minus angle B. ठीक है, and value of angle QCB it is 180 minus angle C using equation 1 and 2. ठीक है, now 180 से 180 cancel out. ठीक है, the same sign. ठीक है, and the same value, so we can cancel out. So it will I minus angle B is less than minus angle C. ठीक है, now you can see here in both side of inequality sign, both the terms are negative. So when we convert these two terms positive, the sign of this inequality will change. ठीक है, so it will angle B is greater than angle C. ठीक है, for example suppose minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Is it right? Yes, it is right. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. ठीक है, when we multiply minus 1 both side, then it will become 2 and it will become 3. Now which value is greater than 3? So the sign will be less than, it means the 2 is less than 3. ठीक है, So that's why here we have changed the sign. ठीक है. So here we have multiplied -1 both side. ठीक है. So these two terms positive and the sign of this inequality will change. It will greater than. ठीक है. So angle B is greater than angle C. ठीक है. Now by using the theorem, the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. ठीक है. The side opposite to angle B, it is AC, and the side opposite to angle C, it is AB. So AC is greater than AB. Using the theorem, the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. Okay, hence proof. So I think this is clear to all of you. Okay. The next question, question number 3rd. In figure, angle B is less than angle A and angle C is less than angle D. Show that AD is less than BC. Okay. The figure is given. Okay. So in figure given, angle B is less than angle A and angle C is less than angle D, and we need to prove AD is less than BC. ठीक है. Now proof. Okay. Angle B is less than angle A. It is given. ठीक है. So by using the theorem, the side opposite to the smaller angle is smaller. ठीक है. Here the less than sign. ठीक है. So we use here smaller. ठीक है. The side opposite to the smaller angle is smaller. ठीक है. So the side opposite to angle B, it is OA, less than the side opposite to angle A, it is OB. ठीक है. By using the theorem. ठीक है. And suppose this is equation number 1 and the theorem is side opposite to the smaller angle is smaller. Okay. And angle C is less than angle D. ठीक है. So the side opposite to angle C, it is OD. The side opposite to angle D, it is OC. So OD less than OC, and suppose this is equation number 2. The same theorem, side opposite to the smaller angle is smaller. ठीक है. Side opposite to the smaller angle is smaller. ठीक है. Now add the equation first and 2. Add equation first and equation 2. ठीक है. So it will OA plus OD less than OB plus OC. So OA plus OD, it will AD, less than OB plus OC, it will BC. So AD less than BC. Okay. Hence proof. So I think this is clear. Okay. So now this is sufficient for today. Okay.